everyone, it's Dalton's Garage. Today I want to show you how to easily unclog a clogged up doo-doo toilet. So here we got a attendant with their toilet clogged up and they just couldn't flush it, so we brought over the good old 6-speed toilet plunger. And really all there is to it, you just gotta work it, little plunges. Some people overdo it. Just a little do would do, and you can start to hear it. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's getting somewhere. Let's go ahead and add a little more water to the fishbowl. See if we're getting to flush it down yet. There we go, folks. That's how it's done. Little pumps will do to get rid of that poo. A little pump or two. Thanks for watching.